Kinanabal, license,
helmet,
and helmet, so all the necessary road regulations.
Substandard. Yung alam mo, hindi mo substandard. Actually, yung mga may helmet kasi ngayon na parang sombrero lang eh.
So you follow a certain set.
Standard.
So generally, your outfit or uniform?
T-shirt, yeah,
T-shirt, jackets as well?
Oo, meron din mga gears, pero dun sa mga newbies, hindi naman namin nire-require mo kung bumili ng ganito.
Yeah.
Basta yung basic lang, yung helmet, gloves, at saka dapat nakasapatos.
Sapatos. No slippers. Bawal shorts, bawal kamiseta, as you see that in some streets. No?
Oo, hindi pwede yun. Kasi unang-una bawal yun eh. Sa LTO pa lang bawal na yun.
Yeah. So you're promoting good riding, in other words. And that's a kind of model. Has the office and forces recognize your efforts, like the LTO or NMDA or the road traffic enforcers?
As of now, hindi pa. Hindi pa kami nare-recognize. Pero meron kami mga kasamang mga PNP rin.
Okay.
Nagtatrabaho sa mga gobyerno. Siguro sila na nababanggit na rin. Kaya kung minsan pag sinabi namin mga ride for a cause kami, madali naman kami makilala kasi lahat nga ng sasakyan ng unit namin merong logo.
Let's talk more about our accomplishments in the next segment. We are here with our guests from Ride for a Cause, in the persons of Gilbert Santa Rita and Nelson Arevalo, and we're here discussing a different kind of motorcycle riding, where this group, a pack of about 150 men and women, have joined together to do something of service to the community. Do stay tuned as we come back for more on this topic, Ride for a Cause, motorcycling with a difference.